Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweathervlogs.com. We're going to go into talking about tomorrow into Monday, the next couple days, and certain areas that I think we need to watch for thunderstorm development. Now, the models have been off and on it, and we have to watch that, but here's a Book of Roanoke's latest run of the soundings, and you can see there is some changing in the wind here. There's not a lot of Cape. I would worry more about here than Cape to make storms somewhat severe if they come through at the right time. That's also the thing, timing. If it gets in here earlier, we have a better chance of severe weather versus later, but at the same time, it could be a quasi-linear type of situation where we have a line of wind that comes in. Will it be severe? It could, it may not. We'll have to watch that very closely. We're going to take a look now at the simulated radar for the WRF model. I mean, it's pretty current, but we got an issue. We had a marginal risk over Pennsylvania, and we had a confirmed tornado on the ground here in Pennsylvania. Wasn't expected in the models. This is why I'm actually trying to look at some of the data and see where we may actually have the potential for that situation. Now, the WRF model shows showers and thunderstorms moving south and east overnight. Okay. And it probably will dissipate. And we also have what's left of Julia spinning around out there, pushing moisture up against the mountains, which could lead to also why it wouldn't be a widespread any kind of severe weather because of that situation. But we can look into tomorrow, and we have a line coming in from the west, especially here in the Virginia area. And it's coming in, and it's moving to the east. Really nice. And we're getting a nice shot of showers and thunderstorms at the base and the start of it. And then it slows down. Well, that slowing down will accompany heavier rainfall. In the Philadelphia region, it looks like the first batch misses, but we then get some development to the west also. And by the time we get towards Monday midday, this all starts moving out, and some scattered thunderstorms stick around for part of Monday before it finally leaves the area in Virginia. So that's what we have, and we have the next cold front lining up in the Midwest to come our way. Like I said, we have to watch for these isolated storms, and we get the wind to come down to the surface. One thing I do look at is your helicity or your shear levels. Is it there? And tonight, not really. And tomorrow, not high. But look at this little shear picks up tomorrow evening towards Roanoke. There is a little shear, and that's probably mountain driven. We also get a little bit of shear up in the Delaware Valley. That's why I am debating the situation of the Storm Prediction Center at this point. We could have some generated wind available. So we have to watch tomorrow evening. We'll continue to watch it, and then probably put another video out. But just wanted to let you know what's going on, and we'll keep an eye on the conditions and the model runs to see if anything changes substantially. But damaging winds and even an isolated tornado is going to be ruled out while that line comes in tomorrow evening. So be on your lookout. And then rain sticks around most of the night, especially down here in the Roanoke Valley in Virginia. Meteorologist Dean Davison, have a great one.